At Bidacar.com, we're not just revolutionizing the way dealers buy and sell vehicles, we're making it so easy, even monkeys can do it.
Listen, Todd, I found you a mint condition 2022 truck. Low mileage, one owner, and the only bananas it's been near are mine. Just click the link I sent and it's yours.
Barry, did you send me this auction with no photos? What am I supposed to do, mime the car's condition?
Don't worry, Lucy. It's so clean, even a chimpanzee would approve.
You see, Bob, Bidacar makes it simple. Dealers love our platform because we save them time, money, and a whole lot of monkey business. Just one click and boom, sold!
At Bidacar, we're bananas about making vehicle transactions easy and efficient for dealers everywhere.
They really go bananas for us, don't they?
At Bidacar.com, we work harder so you don't have to. Buying or selling cars, even monkeys can do it.
Bidacar.com, where even monkeys make it look easy.
Time for a banana break!